Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's start with that, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to enter the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got 3 albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So the live wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or the wallpapers installed by default here. So let me pick this option. And as you can see here, we've got some pretty options from which we can choose. What is more, if you will decide that you want to go to your own photos, you can just tap on this icon here. Let's say you don't have to go back. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear right here. On the full screen, so you will be able to check all of the wallpapers, and let me maybe pick this one. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper, and here you can decide where you want to set it. So it can be home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically, that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.